Good evening, everyone. This is Irfan from the lobby of this beautiful lounge where we're staying for 3 days for our masterclass. TerryWhite is offering that program. And you know what? Today we have met so many friends. Pharmacist of the Year and Early Career Pharmacists were announced. Please listen those videos which I have captured and try to learn what they have done. Don't just listen the winner, just also listen the the finalists. They have done amazing work. They were from South Australia, some young pharmacists, and you can do something similar. If they can do it, you can do it. So make sure you watch the video, make your notes, and when you're working, try to copy or try to do 120% better what they have done, and you will get some sort of recognition, because recognition is the most important need for a human. And when you get recognition, that give you a fuel to make something or to make you better version of yourself. So I thought that video can be helpful for you. And try to catch up with me on LinkedIn. If you see me or try to ask question, I will certainly give you a feedback or reply back. All right. If I can't reply you in Instagram or TikTok, please chase me on LinkedIn. I will definitely reply you through platform. Thank you very much.